In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to browse with Tor in the Brave browser. First, make sure you have the Brave browser open on your device. Brave is a privacy-focused browser that includes a built-in option to route your traffic through the Tor network. This allows you to mask your IP address and add an extra layer of anonymity to your browsing without needing to install separate software. Once Brave is running and you can see the browser window, you're ready to go. Next, look to the top right corner of the Brave window for the main menu. It appears as three horizontal lines, often called the hamburger menu. Click that to open the dropdown. This is where Brave keeps several browsing options, including regular private windows and the Tor-enabled private window we want to use. From that menu, choose New Private Window with Tor. It's usually listed right under the standard New Private Window option. It's important to select the one that explicitly mentions Tor, because a regular private window only clears local browsing data. It does not route your connection through the Tor network. The Tor option will open in a separate window so you can keep it distinct from your normal tabs. A new window will appear, and you'll see a status message indicating that Tor is connecting. This may show in the upper left area of the window or near the address bar. Give it a moment. Tor connects by building a secure path through multiple volunteer-run servers around the world, and that process can take a little longer than a standard connection. Waiting here is normal and expected. Once the status changes to connected, you can browse as you normally would. Any site you visit in this window will be routed through the Tor network, helping mask your IP and making your traffic harder to trace back to you. Pages might load a bit more slowly due to the extra privacy layers, which is a normal trade-off for the added anonymity. For the best results, avoid logging into personal accounts or sharing identifying details if your goal is to stay anonymous. Also, be cautious about downloading files or running unfamiliar scripts, since privacy tools protect your connection but can't guarantee what a website might try to do. When you're finished, simply close the Tor window, and you'll be back to your regular browsing in Brave. That's all you need to start browsing with Tor in Brave. Simple, secure, and built right into the browser.